Okay, now we're going to tie the flesh fly. These started out as the ginger bunny fly. Obviously, they imitate a flesh pattern in Alaska. And again, many different variations, and this fly has certainly evolved like all flies do over the years. This is going to be your basic ginger bunny fly, and then we'll put an egg-sucking leech kind of variation on the front of it. But if you watched the Ida Vane show, the show on Kulik, the Kvichak, American Creek, any of those shows, the Seasons on the Fly shows that we did from Alaska, you would see this fly, and this fly would certainly work in all of those places. This is just bunny fur, rabbit fur, okay, and it's already cut in strips for me. You can buy it as whole skins and strip it yourself if you like, but this is the easiest fly in the world to tie. You can put some lead weight under there if you'd like. I don't like to do that because you end up losing them in the river. But you can fish a sink tipper with split shot, and I realize you leave split shot there too, but it seems like you lose a lot more flies than split shot. Just wrap that bunny fur right around and up, leaving your some space up here. Now, you could whip finish this thing and go catch a mess of fish with that fly right there. But again, this is how they started. It started with this basic fly, and then it evolved. They put some marabou under the tail back here, some peachy, you can put all different colors in there. This is the fly the variation of the fly that seems like I've caught every fish in the state of Alaska on, from the king salmon to silver salmon to even sockeyes have picked this up, and of course trout and dollies and grayling and stuff like that. And now, just like you would an egg-sucking leech, you just tie a little of this peachy chenille on, a couple of three wraps, so you get that clean-looking ball, and you've got yourself there the egg-sucking bunny fly. And again, this is a great little fly. Now, some of those shows you're going to notice that our flesh flies are articulated and bigger. And we'll be tying some of those for you in episodes to come here. But this is certainly a fly that, just became my favorite up there, especially in small streams and stuff like that. The fish really focused in on these guys, and there you go. Put some glue on it, and there's your egg-sucking bunny fly. Bingo.